Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set always on display in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So as you guys know that we don't have default option of always on display. Let me confirm it. As you see, we don't have option of always on display option, but we can use third-party application, and which is very easy. Just go to Play Store and here search for Mobileinto. Just click here. So this second application is authentic. Just install this application, which is Mobileinto AOD and Edge Lights. Install this application. After installing, open application and then click here. After clicking, just allow the permission to this application. This is the application, I am allowing it, and then again go back. After that, as you see, we have option of AOD here. Just click on AOD, it means always on display, and we have a lot of always on display options. Just select any one of them. I am selecting this one. After that, click on apply. As you see it's apply, then again click on cross and then go to settings. So in setting, on the second we have option of always on display. Select always on display and then allow the brightness to 100, and that's it. Now go to home and then turn off the mobile to confirm. So as you see, always on display is now working 100% okay. So this is how we can use always on display in Infinix Hot 40 Pro. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.